Speak English with teacher. Listen carefully and repeat after me. What time does the bus usually arrive at school? Can you help me find the nearest grocery store today? I don't understand what you are trying to say now. Could you tell me how to get to the station? I would like to order a sandwich with extra cheese. Please speak more slowly because I am learning English. Where can I buy tickets for the train to London? How much does this red dress cost in your shop? I need to practice English every day to improve quickly. Can I have a cup of coffee with milk, please? What is your favorite food to eat for breakfast? Excuse me, can you show me the way home? I am very happy to meet you this morning. Could you write your name and phone number for me? I usually wake up at 7 o'clock every single day. How many people are there in your family now? I like to read books before I go to sleep. Can you tell me what time the shop closes today? I am learning English because I want to travel abroad. Please give me a glass of water without any ice. I usually go to the park on sunny weekend mornings. Do you know where the nearest bank is located now? I like listening to music when I am feeling sad. Could you explain this English word to me, please? I am going to the supermarket to buy some fruits. How often do you visit your grandparents in the countryside? Can you tell me where I can find a taxi? I like to play football with my friends every Saturday. What do you usually do after school every single day? I am very excited about going to the cinema tonight. If you like this video, click like and subscribe. Please tell me how to cook this delicious chicken recipe. I usually get up early to go for a morning run. Can you help me carry these heavy bags to my house? I am going to the library to study for my exams. How long does it take to walk to your school? I am very interested in learning more about English grammar. Please tell me if you have any free time tomorrow. I usually spend my weekends with friends at the park. Can you show me how to use this new phone? I like to drink tea with honey in the evening. What kind of music do you usually listen to daily? I need to buy a new notebook for my English lessons. I usually have breakfast at home before going to school. Could you tell me where the nearest pharmacy is located? Can you recommend a good restaurant near my hotel today? I am learning English to speak with people from different countries. Please tell me how much this beautiful bag costs today. I like to watch movies in the evening after homework. How many hours do you usually sleep every single night? Can you help me understand this difficult English text now? I usually go shopping with my mother on weekends. Please tell me where I can find a public restroom. I like to ride my bicycle in the park every morning. Can you tell me when the next bus will arrive here? I usually spend my free time reading interesting English books. Please explain this English word slowly so I understand it. I am very happy because I passed my English test today. Can you show me the way to the nearest hospital? I usually eat lunch at school with my best friends. Could you help me find a cheap hotel near the city? I like going to the beach when the weather is sunny. Please tell me how to use this computer program correctly. I am learning English to communicate with people all over the world. If you like this video, click like and subscribe.